Leaf spot, uncovered. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the phrase, leaf spot. While it might sound simple, it carries a significant meaning, especially in the context of botany and gardening. Let's explore its definition, use, and context. Leaf spot is a term used to describe a very common plant disease. When a plant has leaf spot, it will show small, round, colored spots that appear on its leaves. These spots can be caused by various pathogens, including fungi, bacteria, and sometimes even viruses. The appearance of leaf spot can vary based on the causing agent. However, the most common ones are brown or black spots, mostly caused by fungi, yellowish spots, often a result of bacterial infections. Over time, if the disease progresses, these spots might merge and cover a large portion of the leaf surface. The affected leaf might eventually fall off, affecting the overall health and look of the plant. If you're into gardening or botany, understanding leaf spot is essential. It's because 1. Early detection can help in taking preventive measures. 2. Recognizing the signs ensures that you can treat your plants effectively and ensure they remain healthy. 3. By understanding the causes, gardeners can choose plants that are resistant to certain types of leaf spot or modify their gardening practices to reduce the chances of the disease. That's a wrap on leaf spot. Just as in language, the world of plants has its own vocabulary that's worth exploring. Whether you're brushing up on English or diving into gardening, we hope this video illuminated a little corner of your knowledge. Happy learning and gardening!